It's time for another amazing chemistry video with Mr. Stapleton. Proudly sponsored by Farming Doing Nice Coffee. Okay, this is going to be a short video. Again, I'm going to be looking at polymers, but for this video, what I'm actually going to be looking at is those that are formed by addition polymerisation. Okay, this is a reasonably quick one to go through because it's just adding across a double bond. So I've already done a video around polyesters and polyamides, which is condensation polymerisation. This one is around addition. So with addition polymerisation, what you'll have is monomers that have carbon-carbon double bonds in there. As soon as you see carbon-carbon double bonds, you should think addition polymerisation. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the simplest one you can do at the moment, which is using ethene. Okay, so to draw the polymer from ethene, okay, what you got to do is just take your central carbon atoms, all right, these ones here, you go carbon-carbon like that, you put these other atoms around, it doesn't matter what they are, up and down, like that, okay, and then you put your square brackets in, and that creates your repeating unit, just there like that, okay. So this is the polymer over here, and this is in fact polyethene, okay. So I'm going to show you a couple of these. In all of them, all you're doing is taking the double bond and you're breaking it to form a single bond, okay, and you're extending out your brackets at the end, okay. So I'll show you a couple of others. What you need to be able to do is take your monomers and draw a polymer chain, okay. So I'm going to take another one here. So this is carbon-carbon double bond, again like that, okay. And this time what I'm going to put on is a benzene ring. Alright, so this is actually styrene, okay, and hopefully you're going to work out that from this we're going to make polystyrene, okay. So to form the polymer from this, or write a section of the polymer chain, you put your carbon-carbon single bond in, alright, you finish up on either side. So here above it we've actually got a benzene ring, like that, we've got hydrogen, up here we've got hydrogen, we finish that off, put our square brackets in, and that shows our section of our polymer chain, which is our repeating unit, and that's polystyrene. Okay, I'll show you a couple of others. Alright. This one here, let's go carbon double bond. Alright, we've got hydrogen, let's go chlorine this time, let's go hydrogen. Alright, this is vinyl chloride. Okay, we're going to use this to make the polymer polyvinyl chloride. Okay, so you've got carbon-carbon double bond, you got carbon-carbon single bond, like that. Put your hydrogen in, put your chlorine below it, hydrogen, put the ends on. So all you're doing is taking this, okay, getting rid of the double bond in the middle, putting a single bond there, ending off either side of your brackets, like that. Okay, and there's your polyvinyl chloride repeating unit. Alright. What you may need to also do is to be able to take a section of a polymer chain and draw the monomer from which it comes with addition polymerisation. So if I draw just a section of the polymer chain like this, okay, and I put hydrogen, and I'll go C2H3 there. Okay, so we've just got this long section that's repeating itself. Like that, alright. First thing you're going to do, and this will help you immensely to be able to draw the monomer, is to actually draw or put your brackets in around your repeating unit. So just put a bracket in anywhere. I'm going to go here, okay. And what I want to do is go to the next place where I find a carbon CH2-3, which is here. So that's the end of my repeating unit there. So I know that this is where I'm going to get my monomer from. Okay, so now I know that what I need is a carbon-carbon double bond in the middle. Alright, up here I've got C2H3. Alright, hydrogen, like that. Okay, and that's my monomer from which I get my original polymer. Okay, so addition polymerisation is reasonably straightforward. Alright, you've just got to take your carbon-carbon double bonds, break them to single bonds. Okay, put your other atoms around it straight up and down, have your polymer chain, or you need to be able to put your repeating brackets around, okay, and be able to go from there to your actual individual monomer. Alright, I suggest you just go through and practice some of these. They're pretty straightforward. You're probably going to want to spend a bit more time going over polyesters and polyamides, alright, but make sure you can understand how addition reaction occurs by adding across that double bond. Alright, hope this is helpful, guys. Anything else you want to know, just ask me. Thanks. See ya.